Okay, hello YouTube, and this was fast. How this vacuum arrived from another country, and this is, you know who you are, donation to the channel, and this should be Nilfisk GS90. So let's get going, and it's not computer case. That is nice case, that Lee. But it's not, I hope, because I don't need computer case or any computer related anymore. So let's open this, and okay. So this has had a motor swap. This have a Philips motor made in Holland, 1200 watts. And I wanted to show also this Nilfisk because it has now brother or sister. Oh yes, there it comes, and you can see that, and hose comes first, original Nilfisk, and I have that longer hose with this, but this is going to stay like it is. So I put those to side and show everything later, and okay. Now, I don't believe this is original, but I don't mind. And this doesn't have tools, but I have all the tools from this Nilfisk. So, telescopic pipe, okay. And now the main, the vent. Now you can see it. Okay, come on. Yes. There it is. And let's check if there is anything else. I know you can see, but okay. There is that. And let's check how it is. So, for a moment, I push this Nilfisk to the bag, and this is what this came with. So, where we start? Now, this is plastic, but very good quality plastic, and not so heavy, well, not light either. And yes, so you take this top off like that. Yes, I did my research, and there is the motor part. How easy is that? Now you can see that intake is there, and in that another Nilfisk it is in there because that motor is upside down. So okay, that is good, and this condition is amazing. Now there is this typical Nilfisk very big pre-motor filter. Now we can open this to access the back compartment, and another latch is there. So this comes apart, and this is what I really like. How big is that pre-motor filter? And okay, there is the cable, and this is the same style as the Kirby vacuums have, at least my generation series G6. So there is that. and there is the base, and not much cleaning needed for this. So let's put back to this. So I ordered bags, and these has this very wide opening, and sadly these were not the best, because I don't know if this shows, but is this loose? Well, it fits nicely there. So look, a bit better, but it could use some tape around this, so it is very tight fit. But well, next time I order better bags, but these will do. Let's put this back to there, and this back to there. And this is just unboxing. Obviously there is going to be another videos coming, like airflow and suction and so on. Now this goes like that, and you can see this, hopefully you can see that. So you put like that, and it clicks in. Okay, now this cable goes there. Okay, and now let's put the hose to there. This is actually a bit different shade, or a bit different color than the another Nilfisk hose, and suction release valve there, and it swivels from the both ends. So this is needed because these are usually very powerful, and this, I believe this is also powerful. So there is that hose. So what if we switch this on, and we can actually compare that sound to the other Nilfisk. So okay, let's turn it on. Okay, there was a bit comparison, and they feel very similar in performance. Obviously, I am not going to ruin everything to show those numbers in this video. It is coming later, but yes. Maybe a bit stronger, I am not sure, but they are a lot of airflow. A lot. And that was expected from this. So let's do a bit vacuuming, and I also put that label to this video. So let's vacuum a bit. Okay, can I push this nozzle on this very demanding rook? Well, let's try. Okay, well, that was super hard work, but that's not fault of the vacuum. Now let's try the turbo brush, so you can get some idea how powerful this is. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Now I have to share these tools with the other Nilfisk. Okay, let's sum this video up. Okay, I am super happy and thankful for the guy who sent this to me again. I mean, these are so good vacuums. I mean, quality, durability, airflow, suction, and yes, what can I say? And not only I have this, but I also have these small tools. So dusting brush and crevice tool. You can remove this if you want, but anyway, there is that, and final morning shot. So let's put both Nilfisk's, sorry, like this, and there you have them. Which one you prefer? I actually don't know yet. So, okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.